Hey guys, it's Yolanda Monique. I am back and I wanted to share with you my April Sephora box. I've already looked at the stuff. I took it to my work and shared it with my coworker, so I wanted to share it with you guys what I got this month from Sephora. As always, Sephora will always ship to you right around the second week of the month. It's a $10 a month bag. You get five samples. Almost caught myself because I wish it was all deluxe. 5 sample products that are sold in Sephora. You get a little handy guide which tells you what's inside of it, and on it you get 50 bonus points. Now at the end of the video I'm going to tell you my little gripes and beefs about each of the thing. One of the thing is I love shopping online, and it's easier for me to shop for Sephora online, but I can't use these points online, so mine tend to go to waste. I know it's VIB this month, and I already bought my stuff online. I didn't buy it in the store because every time I go in the store, they're out. But they're like, oh, but it's online if you want it. So how do I use my points if every time I'm in the store, they're out? But I digress. Let's get back to the box. I love it because it tells you a little bit of what's inside. And I have to tell you, this little back half thing is cute as all get out. Sometimes they really surprise me with certain things. So we'll see if they listen to my survey, which I tweaked a little to make sure that I got a few things. So the first thing I'm pulling out is from Buxom, and this is a Plump Up Volume. I'm going to say lipstick, but it looks like it's more like a lip gloss. So hold on. The color is Celeste. It is really, really glittery. I'm not going to swatch this because I might give it to a friend, and I think that would be really wrong of me. But see how glittery that is? See if you'll focus. See? So I'm thinking it's more of a topper, but I can look at it. Yeah, that looks more like a topper, kind of like the Too Faced one that I got, which is supposed to be a lip plumper. That stung like no other. I was like, no, who willingly puts themselves through this? So I'll definitely set it aside, and then I'll see if my friend wants it. But it's a pretty color. I'm not into lip glosses, and I have big, beautiful, full lips. I don't need to plump them. God gave me that. But let's go with the next product. So the next product is from Living Proof. It is PhD Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 Styling Treatment. So it is smooths, volumes, conditions, strengths, and polishes. Definitely can't use it now with my braids. I will be taking these out soon. So when I have my natural hair, I will definitely try this out and see if it's worth it. This, because I have super thick hair, it looks like it would be mostly a one-time use packet. I wish they would provide, if they're going to give you like these and they can't give you deluxe samples, I wish they would at least give you 2 or possibly 3 of these, and you're going to see that theme continued, because one is not enough to know whether you like the product or not. It's not going to give you enough time to say, oh, this worked great on this day when it was sunny and it was raining and this. So Sephora, please, please, please provide more than just one sample pack. So speaking of that, the next thing is the Dr. Dennis Gross Wrinkle Fighting While You Sleep Fluoric and Retinol Mask. It's a recovery peel. And again, it's a one-time use pack. And again, I wish that oh, sorry, 2. They gave me 2. See, I am corrected. Treatment number 1. Yeah, so at least I gave you 2, so that's nice. Let me read what Sephora says that this will do. Blend of antioxidant acids and retinol to protect, firm, and hydrate. Will deliver brighter, firmer, more radiant skin after just 1 use. So the fact that they gave 2, I stand corrected. They gave 2. I saw the little thing and I was like, 1? But 2, yeah, I like that. Way better than 1. So thank you, Sephora, for this. I will definitely check it out. And the image shows after 14 days. Why show us something that says after 14 days if you're only going to give us 2 of these? Y'all be playing with me, Sephora. Y'all be playing with me. But I will definitely check it out. And then the next is Makeup Forever Blur Skin Tint with Sunscreen, SPF 15. So this is what the box looks like. This, I would say, is a deluxe size sample. And this is what it looks like. I think it's my skin tone. Let's swatch it and see. Can you see it? That's right there. So I bet you it's supposed to be sheer. That's blended in. So I definitely could use this because it's a tint with skin tone. I'm sorry, tint with sunscreen. So those days that I don't want to wear full makeup, I can definitely try this. And back to my handy guide. Innovative skin tint lies in the beauty middle ground between BB cream and foundation. It blurs imperfections, moisturizes skin, contains SPF 25, and provides just enough tint for sheer to medium coverage. So it's sheer to medium. More than likely it's probably sheer, but I can definitely use this on those days where I need skin. You know, I want to do a very light coverage, but I don't want to do full because you know I love my full cover foundation. So I will definitely try it. It's number 10. Hopefully it's the right, it's a sheer coverage, so it should blend in with your skin tone. So I definitely like that. 2 more items left, and these are kind of on the small side. The next one is the Skin to Die For No Filter Mattifying Primer and Complexion Perfection. So it's a primer. Definitely would like that. I feel like anytime I get a primer in this bag, I'm good, especially if it's a primer for matte skin, because I do have my favorite primer. Don't get me wrong, I have my favorite primer, but there is no harm in checking out new primers. So let me look at this one. It has a protection lid on it. Hold on. I do love that they always protective. Ooh, it's kind of like a peach color. And I can tell it's going to be drying because it feels kind of powdery on the hand when I swatched it. And then I brushed it on my hand. It kind of went powdery. So I'm definitely looking forward to this. And Peter Thomas Roth. I didn't know that you guys had primer. So I'll definitely have to check that out. And then the last one, which I like, but I'm mad at you, Sephora, is the CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum from Sunday Riley. Look at how small this is. Look at this. I mean, come on, y'all could have at least gave me a bigger size. Vitamin C, you know, Sunday Riley, my girl. So I actually have a bigger sample of this that I actually got. I feel like vitamin C is a must for your skincare. So I really like my bag. I just don't like how small everything is. I'm like, Sephora, can you at least make everything deluxe sample? Come on, just hook a sister up, deluxe sample. So this is nice, too small. I really like this, and I feel like as long as the package is filled all the way up, which we all know more than likely it's going to be here. So I mean, looking at this is where it is. So I'm half of this, and then this let me stop complaining about the size of this stuff. Basically, I like my bag. I got a skincare, I got a makeup primer, I got a tinted foundation, skin tint, BB cream, you know, got that. A hair product, and where's the other one? Just the other two. Another skincare, and then a lip product. So overall, I would say that out of 5, this was probably a 3, maybe a 4. I'm going to lean with 4 because of the products, 3 because of the size. I know I'm being so petty. I'm sorry, y'all. But I really love the Sephora bag because it gives you a variety of things to try. I just hate that they do the one-time packs, or they give you like a little bitty sample and it's only enough for one day. I feel like for skincare, you're never going to know if it's good or if you like it with just a one-day use. You need at least a good 5 days to determine whether or not you like it. And even if I use the smallest amount, I'm not going to be able to get 5 days worth of use out of this, especially if you're wanting to put it on your skin. So I love the product, I just don't like the size. I would still recommend that you try Sephora Play. I still think that the fact that you get to try so many different products is good. If there's a product you don't like, you can hand it to a friend, which is what I'm going to do. Definitely check out Sephora Play. I think that you're going to like it. And you know, if you're a Sephora junkie, you can at least get 50 points when you make a next purchase. So I'm recommending it. I like the bag. I'm going to give it a 3.5. I'm just going to say 3.5 out of 5. And then I'm going to let you guys go. Thank you for watching this video. I will check you guys on the next one. Bye.